Know it all. Like and subscribe. Deleting a Microsoft account from your Windows computer is quite uneasy. To go about this, come along with us. Click on your Start button and select Settings. Select the Account tab. So, here you will find your Microsoft accounts, actually the one you are logged onto. Now, select Sign in with local account instead. You should get a dialog box prompting for account password. Type in your password and click on Next. Fill in the form if you would like to, and if you want to ignore it, you can click on Next. Select Sign out, and Finish, then you should be logged out. Log into the computer with the password you set earlier, and that is all. Please like and subscribe to stay notified for more coming videos.